Hi everyone, it's Tammy and I have a package here from Stampingbella. This is a stamping company that makes really cute stamps, and on Tuesdays they have sales, like crazy sales they call them, and they offer a few stamps. I think it's 2 or 3 every week, and then they also have die cuts that are sometimes available, but you have to get there early or have to get on early and check in because they don't last long. So I didn't get the dies this time. I just got the stamps, and I have this one, which I think is adorable. It's part of their Tiny Townie collection. Love is a 4-legged word. Isn't that cute? She's hugging her pup. And the stamps are fairly big. I like these stamps a lot, and they are rubber stamps, and I like them. They work well. And then, so the other one I got has these little chickens making soup, and it's chick in soup, and it says feel better soon. This is the Cool Chicks collection, which is awesome. And this is what that looks like. Super cute. I think it's fun. And that's what I got from Stampingbella this week. So thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.